Now is available at McCarthy Cars, Mercedes, ML, diesel, 58 plate 2008, metallic grey. Car has front parking sensors, front fog lights. It's got 18-inch alloy wheels, privacy rear glass. It's got roof rails. Car has rear parking sensors, got reversing camera, electric tailgate. It's got split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, child seat preparation. 4 electric window, electric mirror including folding. Fully electric seats, electric lumbar support, front auto headlights. Car has satellite navigation. It's got reversing camera. Six CD changer. It's got telephone, Bluetooth connection, slot memory card, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift. It's got cruise control, speed limiter, automatic transmission. Thank you for watching.